how to add friends on Discord. Hey everyone, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will guide you that how can you add friends on Discord. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to just open Discord on your PC or laptop. Alright, after you open up Discord, you'll got such interface. So from the homepage or direct message, at the add friends section, you can easily search for the friends whom you want to add friends on Discord. So from your after you click on add friend, from here you can easily search their username whom you want to add friends. So from here you can search the username of Discord ID, and after you search it, you can click on the option send friend request, and from here you can as usual send the friend request on Discord, and you can also send the friend request from any servers on Discord. So open up any Discord server, and from the member list you can easily find members on Discord. So from here you'll have to just choose any person or ID on Discord server. Alright, after you open up the profile of that person, you'll have to just click on the options like friend request. It will appear at the top right corner of that section. So simply you'll have to just click on that option friend request, and after you click on that, you can easily send a friend request on Discord, and from that way, if they accept your friend request, you can easily add them as a friend on Discord. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.